Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for a UPS driver job. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we want to do is jump into jobs/ups.com. Right over here we are in package delivery driver jobs. So here you can see all of the details about a driver or a delivery service job. So when you are jumping into UPS, you're going to come all the way down to this section over here, and here are the jobs that are listed. Now, once you've found a job that you would like to apply for, go ahead and click on apply now, and you are going to come down from this page, and here you can read of all of the details that are pertaining to this particular job. Okay, so everything is here, and then you have two options. You can either save the job for future reference if you'd like to apply later, or you can just click on apply now. Now, once you've clicked on apply now, you will go through the process of actually applying for the job. So over here, you can see again all of the information that you need. And here you are going to start your application. So you're going to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, phone number, and your zip code. And you're going to go down and you are going to click on this box over here. You're going to check this box and click on continue. Now, once you've done all of this, you will start to add the information about yourself into the appropriate boxes. So what you will be doing is adding your education, your previous education, your qualifications, sometimes your previous work experience, and anything else that's relevant to this particular job. You will then go through a process of answering questions that are specific to this actual position right over here, and then you will go through and just consent to all of the information that you've added in, just stating that everything that you've put in is true and everything is your own information. And then you'll just review your application and submit it, and then you'll be one of the applicants to this position right over here at UPS.